Hi all, this is Sampath. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In the today video tutorial, I'm going to show how few data like explant status, item category group, procurement type, price control and with quantity structure, how these data automatically comes in Material Master, that we are going to discuss in this video. Okay, without any further ado, let's get started. Enter the transaction code SPRO. Now press enter key. Click on SAP reference IMG. Go to the logistics general. Expand the logistics general. Expand the material master. Expand the basic settings. Expand the material types. Here execute the define attributes of material types. Here we can also use the transaction code. Transaction code is OMS2. I am displaying on the screen. Now execute the define attributes of material types. Click on position. In this example, I am taking raw material. Raw material key is ROH. Enter the raw material ROH. Now click on right mark. Select the raw material. Now click on details button. We can see one by one. First enter the explant status. Just click on this icon or press F4 key. 01 blacked for procurement. Just double click on that. Now click on the save button. It will ask the TR. It is recommended to create the new TR. To create new TR, just click on the create request option. Give the meaningful description here. Now click on save option. When I click on the save option, system generates the TR. Now click on the right mark. Yes. Now I am going to test it. Just go to the transaction code /O MM01. Now press enter key. I did changes in the raw material. Hence in this example I am taking raw material. Now press enter key. Press enter key again. Now click on the right mark. See here my data flowing automatically from material type to material master. Now we are going to see another field. I don't want to save this material. Enter /n. Now press enter key. Now go to the material type configuration screen. Now enter the item category group. Item category group, for example, I am entering NORM. Now save it. Now go to the transaction code MM01. Enter the transaction code MM01. Now press enter key. Press enter. Press enter again. Enter your organization levels. Now click on right mark. Enter all the basic details. Here we can see item category group automatically flowing to material master. Now we are going to see another field. I don't want to save it. Just press /n. Now press enter key. Now we are going to check the with quantity structure. This checkbox is already selected. Enter the transaction code /O MM01. Press enter key. Press enter key. These many views not required. Press enter key. Enter all the basic details. Go to the costing one view. With quantity structure checkbox automatically selected because of material type settings. Again I am going to close this window. Enter /n. Press enter key. Go to the material type settings. Now we are going to see how procurement type work. On screen I am displaying the table how these two combinations are work. In this example I am going to set external purchase order is 2, internal purchase order is 0. Just click on this icon, select 0. Now save this. In table we can see the how this indicator works. Now go to the material master. Enter /O MM01. Click here. Select MRP2 view. See here. it is showing procurement type F. Why it is showing procurement type F? In the material type, we set the external purchase order indicator to and internal purchase order indicator is 0. That is the reason it is showing procurement type F. F stands for external procurement. By clicking on this indicator, we can see the different combinations. Now we are going to see how price control works. Just scroll down a little bit. So here we can see the price control. By default, for raw materials, it is showing price control is moving average price. Just click on this indicator. Now select the standard price. Just for example, I am selecting this one. Now click on the save button. Okay. Now we are going to check in the material master. Enter the transaction code. Go to the material master. Here we can see price control by default coming S instead of V. How we make this field non-editable mode, that also I will show. Go back to the material type settings. Just select the indicator price control mandatory. If we select this indicator in material master, it is not possible to change the price control. Let me check. Save the material type settings. Now go to the material master. Here we can see the price control indicator is coming in display mode. It is not possible to change the price control in material master. That's it today video tutorial. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.